Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna to show you how you can screenshot or save telegrams self-destruction photos. These tips will be useful, but keep in mind that privacy is very important, so use these methods responsibly. First, the easiest and safest method is to use a second phone or camera. Simply display the self destruction photo on your screen and take a picture of it using another device. This method avoids triggering any notification on Instagram. Another option is to mirror your phone screen to a computer using tool like Skippy. This tool lets you control your phone from your computer. Once the photo is displayed, you can take a screenshot directly on your computer. So you can also try using a screen recording app to capture the photo. Just record your screen while the photo is displayed. However, this might not work on all devices, and Telegram could still notify the sender. One important note: self-destruction photos are designed to protect privacy. And that's it. These are the best ways to save self-destruction photos on Telegram. Use them wisely. If this tutorial helps you, then like the video and thanks for watching.